at the moment, the sun's just gone down, so it's at dusk. I had a question today, thinking about it, from Richard. Richard was saying he lives in the US. He's done the latest update. He's got the Mini 5 Pro. He sent it up. And when he did the video at night, the green lights went off. Now, I thought the idea of this latest update was to put those green lights, they stay on. So now I've just tested the 4, funny enough, because he did say try the 4 and the 5. And to be honest, the 4, the lights went off. So I'm going to do the 5 and just see what happens. So we're just going to do an auto takeoff.
Takeoff.
Okay.
Home point updated.
Right, I'm just going to see if you can see that on the camera. So you can see at the moment the green lights are on. Let's bring that over a minute. So the green lights are on. Now, obviously at night time, these green lights got to be flashing. But when you put on the video, which I'm just about to do now, and if I press, they go off. So if I turn the video off, the lights are back on. Right. Now, somebody did say you have to go into settings. You scroll down. I mean, now, right, aircraft, that's it. Aircraft LEDs have to be on. So you put it on, and now if I press record, the lights are on. So, Richard, that's what you got to do. I'll just do it again, once more. I'll just turn off the video a minute. Right, so that's off. So underneath auxiliary LEDs, you've got aircraft LEDs, and that has to be on. Because if you don't have it on, now this is what it's usually on. So if I press record now, they go off. Okay, so remember that, you lot out there, put it on. Press record, they keep on. Now, I'm going to try the Mini 4, but I think on the Mini 4, you don't have this option, which I'm just going to prove in a mo, but I just thought, that's interesting, that. Okay. Right, so I'm just going to land the drone a mo. So, I've got the Mini 4 Pro, I've got the the RC3 controller, sorry, which is on. I'm just going to get the drone up in the air. Okay, so the sun has gone down. I'm just going to get the drone set up. Okay, now the wind's picking up. So hopefully you can see those green lights at the moment. This is the wind's blowing me to pieces. Right, so what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to go into the settings a minute. Because on this one, I sure want to get down to where the lights are. Yeah, all we got on here, we got no choice on the Mini 4 Pro. Now what I will do, I will check the RC2 controller in a moment, but on here we haven't. So what's going to happen is if I put on the record, okay, so I put the record on, the lights go off. So officially, you're not allowed to fly that drone at night if those green lights are not flashing. So if I turn off the record, the lights are back on. Now, I thought on the 4 you had that, you could do that, but apparently not. So, but we're going to check the RC2 controller now to see if we've still got that option on there for the Mini 4 Pro. Let's go into settings, safety. So as we go down to the bottom, so there you are, guys. All you've got is auxiliary LED. You haven't got the aircraft LEDs. So you can't do that option, unfortunately. But while I'm here also, because I've just purchased the Lito X1, I'm going to check that as well. So that's all done, which is good. So we go over to settings. We go to safety, we scroll down, and while app's going on, because I've been out flying the drone a lot lately, I'll just update that. Now, this is another good thing about when I get back in the studio is because I've got internet connection, I always update the drones that I've been moving around, binding them, unbinding them. Just another formality while you're going out. You don't have any problems flying your drone. But if you do, like I've said before many times, use a hotspot on your phone. That's saved me many a time. It's just easier while I'm back here doing all that sort of stuff. So anyway, that's been done. Right, let's go back to LEDs. There we go. So officially, if that's correct, we have got so we can fly this at night time then. So I've got the green flashing lights on that you can see. That's right. So if I press record, the light. So this is, believe it or not, better than this. Anyway, that was a good test, I must say. I wasn't expecting that. So anyway, that's a good one. I'll just turn this off. Okay, so there you are, guys. Mini 5 Pro, yes. Even the new Lito X1. I'm not sure about the Lito 1. I would say probably not, but I haven't got that drone. So anybody that's got the Lito 1, let me know if you can fly that one at night as well. So as always, there's going to be another video very soon.